doing to become a clinical psychologist, which is what I keep referring as to the big psychologists, is a clinical psychology doctorate. And that's a 3-year paid doctorate. You get a salary whilst you study for that. Which is, yeah. To get onto that, you need either a undergraduate degree, which is a 2-1 or above. So for your listeners who maybe don't know much about uni or like how the grading system works, a first is like an A grade, and 2-1 is like a B grade, and then you get 2-2 and a third. So there's like 4 grades you can get, and a top 2 you need to get to go onto the doctorate course. Alternatively, you can do a 1-year master's, which is like research based, and then you can get onto the course even if you didn't get a 2-1, if that makes sense.
That does make sense. That'll probably be more interesting to go do a research course, a research project, and then so that's why a lot of people do it, because they kind of feel that their research kind of experience was a bit less during their degree, or they haven't managed to get it outside of work, so some outside of uni. So sometimes people who even get the 2-1 or above still go and do a master's before they go on to the doctorate course. So after the doctorate course I think pays about 30k salary a year. That's reasonable.
Yeah, that's quite good. And then after that, I think most psychologist posts that I've seen offer like anywhere between 40 to 70,000 a year. Like they do get quite a good salary.
Quite a good salary, I must say.
Yeah.
Not going to teach a salary or comedians. All right.
Power in behavior. Power in behavior. Psychology. Power in behavior. It's power in the mind. Psychology with Mikey. It's psychology with Mikey. Power in behavior. Behavior is thought. Behavior is thought. Psychology. Psychology.
Psychology.